Hello friends, in this video I will show how to add Gmail to Mail application in Windows. So search Mail, open Mail application. Now here click on this gear icon, then click on Manage Accounts, click on Add Account. Select here Google. Sign in your Google account. Click on Next. Enter the password. Then click on Next. Now allow permissions. You will see your account was set up successfully. Click on Done. Now here close and reopen your mail application. Now click here. So you will see underneath accounts your Outlook and Gmail. Click on it. So this is your Gmail account. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.